back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today we're going to be making little bites of heaven. We're making these like Polish cheese stuffed, I don't know, like croissants, but not really croissants. They're a yeast base, and you guys know that when I cook a lot, when it comes to a lot of Polish pastries, I use fresh yeast. You can use dry yeast for this, and I'll leave the recipe of that also in the actual recipe on my website. But I do think that it makes a little bit of a difference. So if you can get your hands on fresh yeast, that's like the way to go. These are so good. They are fluffy and delicious, and the inside is actually stuffed with farmer's cheese, which is like a typical Polish cheese. We make it very sweet and just it's so delicious. So I'm excited to share it with you. If you like the recipe, make sure you give it a try. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, you need to do that right now. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Enjoy.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks.